Welcome! In this channel, we explain automotive terms. The dashboard of a car is also sometimes called a dash instrument panel or fascia. It is a control panel that displays instrumentation, dashboard warning lights, and control tools for the operation of the vehicle. It is usually located directly ahead of a vehicle's driver. A dashboard also has various warning lights that indicate different meanings to the driver and help him in taking an appropriate step in need of crisis. Messages of the warning lights include engine temperature, engine oil pressure, battery charging, tire pressure, check engine, service engine soon, anti-lock braking system, automatic shift lock or engine start indicator, fuel indicator, seatbelt reminder, airbag, fog lamp indicator, vehicle security, traction control, windshield washer fluid, engine immobilizer, power steering control, and electronic power control. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code eraser by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.